Hey everyone, welcome to mycleaningquote.com. This is the new and improved version of it. We've made a bunch of changes. It started off as a free quote calculator, and now we've turned it into an online booking platform. And I'm excited to share with you guys about how it works and how it can help your business grow. Once you log in, and or you once after you've signed up and you started your free trial, you're going to end up on your new quote page here, as you can see on my desktop here. And if you go over to the navigation at the top where it says online booking and you click that, it's going to open your custom online booking page. And as you can see at the top, there's a logo that says Power Growth. So that logo would be your business's logo. It would automatically be changed to that. And on the right, it says Call Demo Biz. So instead of the demo information that we have here, it would be your business's information right there. So people that are looking to talk to you personally or trying to get something even more custom than this form here, they can call you directly by clicking on that button. So now let's take a look at the actual form itself. The online booking form is very straightforward and easy to use, so your visitors are not going to have any issue whatsoever going through this process to book their online cleaning. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how it works as a regular user on your website would go through. So the first thing I'm going to do here is select how many bedrooms there are in the house. So let's say there's 4, and I'm going to select bathrooms. I'm going to say 2.5. And as you can see on the right here, the price automatically updates and changes based on my price settings. That's under the price setting tab. I can change how much it costs per bedroom, how much it costs per bathroom. All of that's updated in the price setting page. Right under that is the customize your cleaning. This is where the visitor would add on their extras. So let's say I want to add on an inside oven cleaning. On the right side, it automatically updates. Let's say I don't want inside of the oven, I want inside of the fridge. It updates as well, $262.50 right there on the side, as you can see. And all the pricings for each individual item here that you have in the extras can also be changed in the price settings page. Next thing we have is the frequency, and this is how many times a cleaning I would like. So let's say for this example, I'd want it monthly. Now you can see on the right here, it changes to $65 per month and 62 cents. So the monthly means it's a monthly discount, right? So the one-time price for a clean is different than a monthly pricing for a clean. And when I select monthly, it automatically adds that discount and how much it would cost for that monthly clean. Now, the $65 is a bit low, but that's just because it's the demo version of this. I haven't updated the pricing on that yet, so you can see that it's pretty low here, but I can change those pricing settings, like I said, in the price setting tab. Then I would go ahead and fill out my information here, put my email, phone number, my property address, 123 Sesame Street, and then city, state, zip. Right under that, I would choose the date that I would like for my cleaning to be done. So let's say I want it on the 18th of February, and then we're going to select, I want it at, let's say, 1:30 p.m. All this information gets saved and gets put on your clients list that I just showed you over there on your dashboard, and you also get an email with all this information as well. Right under that is the credit card information. Now, the cool thing about our online booking platform is that the customers pay upfront. So once they put up their information, it charges their card, and then that payment gets sent out to you. So that's a really neat thing that we have built into this online booking platform. And then right under that, there's an additional details notes area where they can add in, don't come in through front door. And that information would be saved and then passed on to you. And then they just hit the book now. They would get a confirmation sent to them, and you would get your reminder that someone just booked on your website. And that's it. It's very straightforward, very easy to use. Now, you might be asking, how do I set this up on my website? And it's very easy, guys. So, the first thing you're going to do is, if you look at the top here at the link, now we're on the demo version. So, I'm on the development side of my website. So, as you can see, it says version test. You won't see this on your end, but right after that, it says online booking. And then right after that, it says / demo biz. Demo biz is the custom URL that you create when you sign up or when you go into your user settings if you already have a profile. And you can go there and update that. And that is your custom link for you to use on your website. And it's very simple. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to select it all, copy it, and you're going to put that as an external link on your website. So you're just going to create a link that says book online. And once they click that, send that person to your link, your My Cleaning Quote URL for your online booking. And they're going to get to this page and it's going to have your logo and your information on it. And so they're going to know it's safe and it's going to work out for them. And then they'll just go through the process and then they'll book. Once they book, it sends them right back to your website. So that's the cool thing. Our booking button that's at the bottom here has your website link on there. So once the booking is done for the visitor on your website, they automatically get sent back to your website. And then they also get that notification that everything went well, that success message that everything went well. Online booking is something that every cleaning business should have on their website, or you're missing out on a ton of new clients that that you could be getting from people that are visiting your websites. If you have any questions or you need any support setting this up for yourself, hit the little messaging button right there on the right bottom side of this website, and we'll get in contact with someone here to help you out with that.